Hey everybody, Mark Yegi here, and the funny thing is I was talking with my cousin, I'm here in Greece, and she mentioned to me, because it was really windy, and she's like, do you know what the word knots comes from? And I'm like, I'm an American guy, and somebody that's Greek is going to teach me what the word knots comes from. And I go, yeah, it's like nautical miles, knots. And she goes, no, that's not what it comes from. And I'm like, what is it? In the 1700s or something like that, behind the ships, they would tie a rope and they would put knots in the rope. And the faster the ship went, the more knots you could see. And so as you trailed this rope behind you in the ocean, you saw a bunch more knots. And they said that's how many knots the boat was going. I had no idea. Thought that was really cool. So there's your factoid for the day. I hope you're having a great day. I've got this MicroStrategy trade that I've restarted for you. I'm not going to do a math video today. I'm just going to show you I've got the 367.50s, and there's only 6 cents left of juice in those. Now I got like 6 or 7 bucks of juice last week. So I made like 10 grand on the trade in juice, okay? But the stock has run up. Now, what happens when the stock runs up? Well, your base position runs up, and then your short position runs against you, except for the juice. I get all that. I got between whatever I sold it for, let's call it 7 bucks, and it's now worth 20 cents or 9 cents right on the screen right now if you're looking at that, where I've got 13 contracts. So my goal is to make about 10 grand in juice every week, and I believe everything else solves its own problem. So I like to be in the money when I start a trade. I'm green, and now that I'm green, I can now start to move a little closer to the money. Well, this thing has run a bit, so it's going to take some working capital to roll this up, but I don't care. Working capital is fine. So I'm going to roll this thing up to here's how I look at it, right? I've got next week, which is a short week because of 4th of July, Independence Day, I should call it. And next week I've got to go up here really close to the money if I want to get any kind of decent juice. So I got to go up here to the 392.50s. I don't want to roll up all that way. I want to roll up part of the way. And so if I roll up part of the way, that allows me a little bit of cushion. And by the way, a lot of you ask me what cushion is. It's the in the money amount. Why is it cushion? Well, if the in the money amount goes down, I'm short. And so when it goes down, I make money on the in the money amount, right? And I might lose it on the lower part, my in the money position, my long position. So those two offset. So I'm always protected to the degree that I'm in the money. So I like being in the money. I'm a conservative guy. I'm getting a little older. I want to hang on to my wealth, right? So I'm a mostly in the money guy, and I certainly started this trade being in the money. So even though this only has a few days left in it, it's only 4 days of trading next week, and I could still do well rolling to the 392.50s, I'd rather roll another week out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shoot for trying to make 10 grand this week. How do I do it? Well, I'm going to try to make this $7 or $8. I think I'm going to go for this 8 bucks. It's the 385s. So those are the ones that I'm going to do. So we're going to make $8 times 1,300 contracts, and that's what we're going to do. Now it's going to be over 2 weeks, so it's not quite the 10 grand a week that I'm thinking about, but I'm going to be safe. I want to be safe. Everybody wants to be safe, right? So I want to be safe on the trade, and I want to make some money on the trade at the same time, and that's why I'm going to go to these 385s. The stocks can still go down $10, and I've got that in the money amount that's going to protect me on the downside. And you know what? With Bitcoin, with MicroStrategy, with 2 weeks, any of that could happen. So you're seeing, I'll put a math update together on this so that you get the idea of why we're doing this. But that's the thinking that goes behind rolling this from the 367.50s out 2 weeks to the 385s. Hope that makes sense, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye. Hey, it's Mark Yegi, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now. That would be a great favor to me, and plus it helps me get this material out to a lot of other people that might need it. I've got a little bit of a movement going on here, and I want to try to change the world one person at a time, showing them that you can make safe, reliable income from the stock market. And plus it helps to grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would give me a thumbs up on the video and like it, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, that's cool. But just tell me why you don't like it so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell so you can get these videos as soon as they come out, because a lot of times this is timely information and you want to get that information before it gets stale. The last thing is to join my free Insider Tips newsletter. There's a link below, and you get everything in one spot. You get breaking news and analysis also. So that would be great if you could do that too. See you soon.